When I discovered UI UX, I knew that this is the chance to rebuild. While enrolling in Simplilearn's advanced certification program with IIIT Bangalore gave me the skills. Simplilearn helped me to land a job at Coxwell as a UI UX designer. My dream became a reality. Hi, my name is Jaya Gerson. I am from Madurai. I hold a degree in Bachelor of Commerce from Madurai Kamaraj University. Later, I pursued PGDM from United World School of Business from Ahmedabad. One was the biggest challenge I faced leaving my job in JK Tires. Due to my family situation, I left the job. I came back to hometown. After a long research, I planned to switch my career as a UI UX designer. It was a big challenge for me because I am totally from the different background. I took this as a challenge to develop my skills and to stand apart from the industry. While working at Toyota, I felt that I am not utilizing my full potential. So I felt to change my career. While I was working as a sales trainer, I used to design a lot of things, lot of materials. Those things helped me to explore as a UI UX. I realized how much I enjoyed while working with creativity and design. I thought I can learn everything from the YouTube so that I can change my career. Only I understand the basic things, so I decided to enroll to do a certification program in UI UX. I found Simplilearn through the Google search. I was impressed by their mentorship, their syllabus and the placement assistance. So I decided to enroll, do a certification course in Simplilearn. Ma'am Aboli, she impacted me a lot. She was very patient. Whenever I asked any questions, she gave me the answers without any hesitate, without any delay. They gave me the practical classes also. Those things helped me to enhance my experience in UI UX designing. Now I am very confident about my skills in UI UX. I can able to create a beautiful screen and website because of this course. I feel proud completely by receiving a certification from IIIT Bangalore. One day I received a call from Simplilearn team that my profile was selected by Coxwell. The placement team helped me a lot in this interview process. I was selected as a UI UX designer in Coxwell. I love to play guitar and keyboard. Music plays an important role in my life. Whenever I feel depressed, whenever I am alone, music rescues me. One of the biggest lessons I was learned through this journey, self-learning has its own limitations. I thought I can upskill through my own strength. After a long time wastage, I found that I should need a mentor to guide me, to mold me. You should have any guidance or mentorship to achieve our goal.